Okay. Now the less used data type, the third one is a tuple. Again, it's an immutable. Tuple is immutable list separated by parentheses. Okay, enclosed within parentheses. It's not used that much. Okay, it's not used that much. It's a very rarely used. But what if you wanted to, what if you wanted to secure the my rock details so that no one can ever change it? It's your manager's copy of that same list. So you can use a tuple function, convert the rock details list to a tuple. You can see the square brackets are now replaced by parentheses, and you can store that in a variable my rock details in a tuple. The benefit, as you might have guessed, is now if you want to, my rock details 1th, which is porosity, you want to replace it with, let's say, 100,000% porosity, it will give you an error. That's all there is about tuples. Absolutely no difference. The only difference is it makes things more secure and it is enclosed within parentheses. Okay. Finally, let's look at the most important data type for today, which is dictionary.